Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Sonny's Toy Channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a UFO Interactive Aircraft. This is a special day because my Tata sent me it. I've heard lots of videos about this. What they can do, they don't need no controllers. You put your hand into them and they go straight up. Whenever it's close to a wall or something that you know it's going to break or hit, it moves automatically away from it. It's very cool. There's some colors here. We have red, blue, and we have a golden. Let's see which one we get. Okay guys, we're done opening it. We got the color blue.
I thought blue was in this.
Okay, and it came with a USB drive like I have on the cover. It also comes with a little screw inside of there. And the USB drive. I think this is what's gonna help it if this gets injured. Okay, from that side. Okay, so first we're gonna have to try to figure out how to turn this on and how it works. So let's get started. Okay guys, we found an on or off switch. It's right here. If you guys can see it. It's right there, on and off. So let's fly this thing.
Yeah.
This is scary. You put it up there.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Okay.
Oh, it hit the lights.
And I fell.
Yeah, this is so hard. Wait, I think I got it. Okay guys, you guys see that? That one time I was standing right here. Okay guys, did you guys see that, right? All you have to do is this, and it comes right back to you. If you want to come, you get too close, you can go. It was like, if you guys know Star Wars, it's like using a fork to go and to push it up. It's very fun. All you have to do is throw it up in the air. Thank you guys for watching. Do you guys really like that? It was very fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching to Sonny's Toy Channel. Goodbye!